Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate American Express gift card in 2024. So let's get started. So before we proceed, you can also do this even if you are just in a smartphone, but in my case we'll do it in a PC. So all you have to do is go into your browser in any device, and from here go into amexgiftcard.com, and from here what you want to do is click here on check balance. So click here, and from here you will need to provide your card details right here. As you can see, it says manage your card. So enter your card details to check your balance. So from here, you can just go for your card number, 15 digits, and then the expiration date for the month and year, and then your security code. So it's 4 digit. And then you can also get your or provide your email address right here so that you would have some kind of receipt right here on your email address, so it will be sent there. And after that, you can just click on continue once you have fulfilled all of this information. And as you can see, there are no fees after purchase, and the card is replaceable if it is lost or stolen, and funds do not expire, and you can certainly use this online and in store. And now another thing that you should know is that to avoid your card being declined when shopping online, please use at online merchants that require the card number, expiration code, and the security code. So make sure you read this because this is very important so that you can use your gift card properly. So that is basically it on how you can do this right here. And thank you for watching.